Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar CAD, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly time frame dollar CAD, I mean, we are going up pretty strong now, but I'm definitely still looking at this as likely going down for an ABC correction, which I think is going to probably go down and take out these previous lows. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a very strong move up as you can see, but this move up for sure could still be a correction to this move down. I still think there's a pretty good possibility just because of how clear this 5 waves is and how clear this 3 waves is, that this is very, very likely now making 5 waves down for a 5-wave push to the downside for an ABC of wave B. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a very strong move to the upside, but I think the wave 1 ends here. I think this is an A of 2. I think this is 3 waves down for a B of 2. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I think it's going to probably make a 4 and a 5 of wave C. I think it's going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels like the 138, 123, then break structure to the downside and likely continue the downtrend, probably ending a wave 2 and making a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, even though I just said that it's likely it will go down, what am I doing right now? I'm doing nothing but looking for longs on these shorter time frames. Why? Because the trend is up. The trend has been up pretty much ever since back here last week. So I would have been doing nothing but looking for longs, and I would still be doing nothing but looking for longs. There's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. And to me, it seems very, very clear this is a 1, 2, 3. So even if it does start to push down, it's actually going to be likely a wave 4 and then probably likely go up again for a wave 5, most likely before it actually does end this wave C, which I think is a wave C of 2. And like I always say, if I'm looking for longs and I'm wrong about this being a wave C of 2, and instead it just keeps on continuing the uptrend on the higher time frames, if anything, I would probably make more money trading like that than I would if it really was a wave C or 2. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the last structure level is right here. If price goes down and breaks that, then that will tell us the wave 3 is over. If price does not break that, but instead makes another higher low, then you better believe that I will continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see until I can see that this wave 3 is over. And for me, actually being more like a swing trader, even when I do see that the wave 3 is over, I'm probably still going to wait for more longs because the next move down should be a wave 4 and then probably eventually back up for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.